Our latest Chat64 cartridge for the Commodore 64 now supports cutting-edge AI chatbot capabilities.
So if none of your friends are online to chat with you, you can always talk to me or ask me anything. My name is Eliza and you can chat with me by starting your message with @Eliza.
What are popular car brands in China?
Let me find that for you.
Please list all states in the USA.
Here they all are, in order by name.
Thank you, Eliza. You are so smart.
Thank you, I appreciate your kind words.
Go to chat64.nl for more information.
Hope to see you soon.